This is a monthly reading for you, Capricorn, for November to December. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Capricorn, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, at the end of the video, I have put is the my tarot shop and the catalog, so you can just see that as well. So that runs after this vlog, and the links and the details are given in the description box. You also want to read my newsletter for the month of November, which I have given in the link is in the description box. So let us see how's the guidance. Who are you, Capricorn, in the relationship? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you both have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So let us see. So, first of all, the two of you don't have time for each other. You see, you are facing to the left, and Capricorn, your partner, is walking away in a different direction. So, some of you very literally are not joining your partner's plans, Capricorn, because you want to rest. You feel you're a bit too tired from working, or your work is more stressful, but your partner is complaining that you're not invested or as emotionally invested as he or she is. So while your partner loves to go for walks, or likes to go out traveling somewhere, you are right now asking time to be left alone. I want to rest and relax, or maybe even do some meditation. So right now the two of you are not spending enough time together. Also, I'm seeing here is that your partner likes to connect over working out or going out or being more outdoors, and you are someone, Capricorn, who loves the indoors. So there is a certain disconnect right now in the relationship. It's nothing bad, but it's just how the setup is for the time being. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So, whatever is going on right now with the two of you in the relationship, it's also what you both are experiencing with each other. So, I'm saying is, in terms of a challenge, you are refusing to acknowledge, Capricorn, that there may be some things that need to be fixed in the relationship. You are right now saying, okay, whatever is going on is fine, and God can sort it out, or divine can set things right. You're not solving or sorting anything out in the relationship just yet. Also, I'm seeing is some of you have taken a certain fight with your partner. Capricorn has taken a toll on you. So, here are people falling and you are lying down. So, it's telling me a fight has taken a toll on you. But while the two people are falling down, one is walking. So, your partner is able to deal with the fight or argument, you are not. So it's just telling me your capacity to take a certain argument or fight is also very low. Now, what is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner is not saying much. He or she is also very cross with you. You see, this is literally a cross sign. If you see a big X, so your partner is little bit cross with you as well. And right now, this is just a very emotionally charged moment between the two of you. So, how do you see your partner, Capricorn, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who has a good career and someone who can do very well even without a job. So, which means that on its own or by a side hustle or some kind of a certain ability, your partner is making way more money than a regular person would make in a 9 to 5 job. So, Capricorn, you see your partner as someone who will retire well and has invested a lot of money. It's also quite possible your partner has got a lot of inheritance from their family. So he or she may be very well to do as well. How does your partner see you, Capricorn? Your partner sees you as someone who has money and is generous, but sometimes will give the money to whom he or she likes. So you both may be having this argument about you helping people out of your discretion, Capricorn. Maybe sometimes you don't listen to your partner and you give to people your partner is saying not to give to, or keep a distance, or you are being generous or not giving, or you're being not giving and not so generous with people who truly need help and your partner is saying give the money to. So you are using your independent mind and thought, Capricorn, and you are not necessarily taking advice from your partner over how to do charity or generosity. And that could be a reason for a lot of disconnect, because your partner feels you do have money but you give it to as and who you please and not necessarily after discussing with your partner. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and likewise your partner has about you? So, your biggest worry is, Capricorn, that you're worrying that is this love real, or are you getting played? So you're thinking that is this union based on true love or not? This is your fear. So it may have some reason for you to think like this, or this could be just your pure imagination. But there is a bit of fear or concern you have, that is this true love where this relationship is based, or are you getting played? So the best way will be to talk it out, and these fights and arguments just make the two of you stronger, and how well you can both tide through. Your partner is thinking that the initial attraction or passion is over, and now is the time to deal with the daily routine of when you both have seen enough of each other, dealt with each other. Now it is the time to deal with the routine or daily meandering. So it's just how the two of you need to now pull through. It's also looking like to me the two of you may have met only recently, been out together, or it's a very new marriage, where the two of you are still facing a lot of things and the relationship just needs to deepen. So what is the past you are coming from, Capricorn, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You've had someone very, very controlling, or you did love someone before, and it's telling me things were very difficult and the two of you could not make it together. So you both may be friends now, but in the past you've had a lot of problems with love, and you don't like these kind of fights, or you don't like arguments or discord, and maybe that is the reason why it gives you a bit of jitters thinking about the future together and if you have made the right choice. About the past, I see your partner is a very steady person, and he or she is very, very reliable and dependable, and does make good money and has a very stable job. So in the past your partner is coming from a very stable background, and he or she has done well for himself or herself. So very nice guidance here about the past. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So one, I'm getting the guidance if the two of you can agree on the expenses or the way money can be used or dealt with, there is lot of future and very bright future waiting for the two of you. So you both should figure out the money problems. That is one. And the second is there's lot of money coming for the two of you. You both are going to do very well financially, and you're going to pick a lot of financial sense as well. I'm seeing your partner already has a lot of financial sense. You're also going to pick it up, Capricorn. This union is very, very blessed, and you both will experience a lot of financial stability. Also, this guidance is telling me pregnancy, so pregnancy or engagement or moving to a new milestone in the personal life. So there's a lot of promise together, and it's a very beautiful guidance. The two of you are right now going through something, and as in how you both deal with it, there is something very nice and beautiful waiting for the two of you. So this guidance, when I look at it, it's telling me roughly about 6 months is when things will start to move very strong, or things will start to improve, or the two of you will start to feel deep love for each other. So there are few months that need to go by before this energy starts to clear up, or the relation starts to get, or starts to deepen for the two of you.